Good morning. Today is November 20th, 2012. Here I give a wrap-up of the commodities complex as it closed on Monday, 19th of November 2012 and as it opens trades this morning. After a prolonged period of a week or 10 days of consolidation and choppiness in the commodities complex, markets seem to have broken above the resistance yesterday. The US equity markets also rose up sharply by over 1.5% by 200 points on the Dow, and that is reflected in the positive sentiment in the overall markets after it seems that the US economy could avoid the fiscal cliff as it's been termed in the US by deal makers. First we come to the bullions. Gold is now trading at $1733, resistances at $1738 and $1748 and support at $1720. Closed above the pivot of $1730, which is more positive. On the MCX, the resistance is at 31,800 and support at 31,600, closed around the 31,700 marks. But watch out for the INR moves for next moves in the bullions. Silver is trading at $33.18. The pivot is taken as 33.20. A sustained close above 33.2 with volumes would take it sharply higher, even up to $35 to $37. And support now at $30.50. On the MCX, it closed at around the 31,650, at around the 61,650 mark. Resistance is seen at 61,800 and 62,000 and support at 61,000 and 6,500. Any close above the resistances as mentioned above would take it to much higher levels on a positional basis. Crude is now trading at above $89 in view of the tensions in the Middle East and Israel-Arab sentiments. On the MCX, it closed at around the 49.30 mark, expected to test the next resistance of 49.50 and 49.85 with support at 48.80 levels. Copper broke above the resistance of 424.50 to 425, hit a high of around the 428 and closed at around the 427 mark. Resistances are at 428.50 to 430 and support at 424 and on a positional basis at 419. Any close above 430, it even take it to higher levels of 432, 434 and 436 on a positional basis. Nickel traded positive yesterday, closed at around the 898 mark, expected to target the 905 to 910 to 915 levels and support at 888 levels. Aluminium looks very positive above 107.50 with stop loss below 106.10 and could test the resistance of up to 109 in the days to come. Among all the base metals, zinc looks mild weak at 105.25, support is at 104.50 and only a break above 106 could be termed as positive. Lead faces resistance at 121 and 122 with support at 119.50 levels. Trades around the 120.50 to 120.80 levels. Natural gas corrected mildly yesterday and closed around the 206.20 levels. Positional or weekly support is seen at 204 and resistance at 210 and 214 levels. Overall, the commodities markets today looks up quite positive and buy on dips could be the suggested advice. US markets are shut as we've been advising on Thursday due to Thanksgiving weekend. Volumes are expected to taper down from tomorrow. Ben Bernanke is also expected to give a speech today in the US Congress and that would weigh on the sentiments of the markets. For further updates and commentaries, please visit our website at www.akshayashift.com. Have a safe trading day. Thank you.